When did you get home? I love you. Are you gonna do the I love you? Freyja. Oh, she's tired now. She's probably ready to eat now. And then she's gonna take a nap. And then we're gonna play. And Freyja has a really good life. Ding ding! We're playing with the willow. It's dead. This part of the willow branch is dead. Ding. And there's me. And there's Freyja. And there's me. And there's Freyja. And there's me. And there's Freyja. Are you looking at me? Look at Freyja. And there's Freyja. She's tired. And she gives me the I love you eyes. You know when cats close their eyes at you? It means they love you and they trust you. Okay, Freyja, should we go inside?